If you struggle with consistency, it's probably not because you're lazy. Most people are trying to build discipline while mentally exhausted and constantly overwhelmed. And eventually, that pressure stops working. So here are 10 realistic habits that actually help. Number 1, make your habits smaller. Small habits survive hard days. That's what changes your life over time. Number 2, stop restarting every Monday. Consistency is not about never failing, it's about returning quickly. Number 3, protect your energy. Sleep matters, rest matters. An exhausted brain struggles with discipline. Number 4, stop connecting productivity to self-worth. One bad day does not define you. Number 5, build routines that still work when life gets difficult. Anyone can stay disciplined on a good day. Number 6, reduce overstimulation. Constant scrolling and non-stop information destroy focus over time. Number 7, focus more on systems than motivation. Motivation changes constantly. Good systems make habits easier. Number 8, be patient with progress. Most meaningful change feels slow in the beginning. Number 9, learn how to restart calmly, not emotionally, just begin again. And number 10, stop using self-hate as motivation. Pressure creates burnout. Self-respect creates sustainable discipline. Because consistency is not about becoming perfect, it's about continuing, even on imperfect days. If this mindset is for you, subscribe. This channel is for discipline, not temporary motivation. We talk about focus, consistency, mental clarity, and building a better life without burning yourself out. Join us on Instagram and Telegram for daily focus. Links in the description. Start now.